In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate GoodDay with Google Calendar. By the end of this walkthrough, your tasks and events in GoodDay will be connected with your Google Calendar, making it much easier to keep track of your schedule in one place. Let's start inside your GoodDay workspace. On the lower left side of your screen, you'll see your profile area. This usually shows your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where all of your personal settings are stored, including options for your account, notifications, and integrations. Once the profile menu opens, look for the option labeled Account Settings and click on it. This will take you to a page dedicated to your personal configuration, separate from any organization-wide settings. It's a good idea to remember this area because you'll come back here in the future whenever you need to adjust how GoodDay works for you. On the Account Settings page, look for a tab or section called Integrations. Click on Integrations to open the list of apps and services that can connect with GoodDay. This is where you can manage tools like Google Calendar and possibly other services that your team uses. Within the Integration section, find the option for Google Calendar. It might appear as a tile or an item in a list, often with the Google Calendar logo. Click on Google Calendar. This opens the specific configuration page where you can link your GoodDay account to your Google Calendar. On the Google Calendar integration page, look for a button that says Add Google Calendar and click it. At this point, GoodDay is preparing to connect to your Google account, but it still needs your confirmation and permission. After clicking Add Google Calendar, you should see a form or confirmation area with a Submit button. Review what's being requested, then click on Submit. This is the step that actually sends the request to Google so GoodDay can access your calendar data securely. Once you hit Submit, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to choose which Google account you want to use and to grant the necessary permissions, such as viewing and managing your calendars. Read these permission messages carefully and confirm them to finish the integration. When everything is complete, you should see confirmation within GoodDay, and your tasks or events will start syncing with your Google